Look at the little baby bird. The little ballsy baby bird is back eating broccoli. My girls are over here. Oh, Cheeky, you look beautiful with your gorgeous feathers all coming through now. And then her crown's going to get really red again and I'll waddle. And the little baby bird, the ballsy baby bird, is back eating broccoli. You just go, look at little bandit, the little ballsy baby bird bandit, the little ballsy bandit. Because it's in your head, you look like a bandit. The ballsy bandit baby bird is back eating broccoli. Cheeky. The ballsy bandit baby bird is back eating broccoli. Oh, you're just gorgeous. One last time. The ballsy bandit baby bird is back eating broccoli. Love you. I love you more, you three.